Hello everybody. Welcome to EVUS speaking test today. So tell me, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is VIểnt.
Your name is VIểnt, and how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
You're 5 years old, and how are you today?
One.
How are you? I'm good.
I'm good.
So tell me, what animal is it?
Duck.
Dog. And
The cat.
cat. And what is it? Sheep.
Chicken.
Chicken. And
Chicken.
no, it's a bird.
Bird.
And how many cats are there? One.
Một. Hai.
Number 2.
Two.
And how many dogs are there?
Một.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3.
3.
Good. And how many birds are there? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4.
Very good. And how's the weather?
Sunny.
Sunny and
Rainy.
rainy and
Lonely.
very good. Okay, so look at the camera, the end, and that is also the end of our speaking test today. Let's say goodbye to our audience. Goodbye.